Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how to type through voice in Microsoft Edge as well as Google Chrome. We need to enable speech recognition first, and for that, just do a right click in the start icon and then click on settings. And here at the left hand side, you will find privacy and security. Now once you're here, once you are in privacy and security, you will find one option called speech, online speech recognition for dictation and other voice-based interactions. So we just need to click on that, and here online speech recognition, use your voice for apps using Microsoft's online speech recognition technology. So I have already turned it on. In your case, if it's turned off, then please turn it on, and then I'll just close this window and I'll open Google Chrome. So let's say if you have opened any website, you need to press window and H key, H is in hotel, together, and you will get this window. A small window will appear like this, and here you just need to select where exactly you want to type. So I'll just click here and I'll click here. So from now onwards, whatever I'll type, whatever I'll say, it will be typed. So I can see it's getting typed, and the accuracy is really awesome. Now let's say if I want to type it here, then I'll click here and I'll click on the speech recognition again, and you can see that it's getting typed and the accuracy is almost 100%. Now the same thing we can do in Microsoft Edge. So what I'll do, I'll just close this and we will open Microsoft Edge and press window and H key together, and this will be opened, and here I can see it's getting typed. So you can open your email, you can open Facebook. Let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.